Hi there, it's Rebecca from Rebecca Art Tutor, back with another video. So I decided that I'd like to make a video about inks. The reason being is because it's October and there's something called Inktober, which is a drawing with ink activity where you can take part and there's prompts every day. Unfortunately, I haven't taken part in that. But it's something that I would really like to do and have tried in the past to take part. And that got me onto the topic of inks. And they are something that I'm really excited to talk about because inks are so versatile, they're great for beginners, and they can be used in so many different ways that I'd like to share with you in this video. So let's get into it. The ink I'm using today is drawing ink, also known as Indian ink. So the first technique is to put some water down. You have to work quite fast for these techniques, and I'm going to do what they call dropping in, which is where you drop ink into a light wash or water and it starts moving and you get these quite interesting effects. And then what I'm going to do is lifting off, which is where you get something absorbent, in this case a cotton bud, and you just try to soak up some of the ink. The idea of this is you use a brush of any size and you take the ink and you kind of draw with it. So you don't maybe add water, you're using the line and the mark of the brush. So with this dip pen, it doesn't flow in the pen, so you do have to keep going back to the ink. But I quite like that because it gives a line which is inconsistent, which I think is more interesting. And you get a kind of scratchy effect, which is really good for texture. Squirt out, very messy, but quite interesting. Blobby kind of look. And what I generally like to do is to mix the lines with the washes. So the wet on wet techniques first, let them dry, and then I put the line on top. I hope you found that interesting and inspiring, and I'm sure that it has encouraged you to try some of your own work in ink. I have a big interest in inks myself, and I do use them a lot in my own work, so I'm sure that this won't be the last video that is about inks. Also, there are some videos already that I've created on the topic of inks for you to check out. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, share, and I shall see you in the next video.